The bird who didn't know how to fly. In a small village there was a little bird named Pip. Pip had bright blue feathers and a sweet song, but there was one problem. Pip didn't know how to fly. All the other birds flew high in the sky. They soared over trees and danced in the wind, but Pip stayed on the ground. One day, Pip's friend, a squirrel named Bella, came to visit. "Why don't you fly, Pip?" Bella asked. "I am scared," Pip said. "What if I fall? What if I get hurt?" Bella smiled and said, "Everyone falls before they learn. But falling is not the end, Pip. It's just the beginning." Pip thought about Bella's words. The next morning, Pip stood on a low branch. The other birds cheered. "You can do it, Pip." Pip flapped his wings. They felt strong but shaky. "What if I can't do it?" he whispered. "You will never know if you don't try," Bella called out from below. Pip closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and jumped. For a moment he fell, and his heart raced. Then he opened his wings wide. The wind caught his feathers, and Pip was flying. He looked down at Bella and the other birds. They clapped and cheered. Pip laughed as he flew higher and higher. The trees looked so small from above. "This is amazing," he said. When Pip landed back on the ground, Bella gave him a big hug. "See, Pip, you are braver than you think." From that day, Pip flew every morning. He felt free and happy. And whenever he saw someone afraid to try, he would say, "Take a deep breath, open your wings, and trust yourself."